Everybody, welcome back. So if you remember from one of my previous videos, my Hunter's Lodge PU sniper rifle, or XPU sniper rifle that I had gotten the stock for when I was on a trip, was missing some things like the butt plate and screws. So what I got today, finally in the mail, all the way from Finland, is a set of Mosin Nagant butt plate screws. Also got some other parts from Gun Parts Corp, including a butt plate to go on that rifle. If you guys haven't seen the video, card's up here in the top right. Without further ado, let's dive off into it. I'll show you what I got. And one thing just to remind you guys, you never know what you're going to find on eBay. That's where these screws came from, all the way from Finland. Took them a long time to get here, however, I think it was worth the wait because I didn't pay much for them. They were actually quite cheap. But let's take a gander at them and see, hopefully, see if I can get them out, what they look like. There they are. Oh, wow, those things look perfect. They look absolutely brand new. Oh wow, those are guys, those are some gorgeous screws. I'm actually going to have to do a close-up on this. These screws they look absolutely brand new. Screw heads look perfect. These are going to be great for my Mosin Nagant to put that butt plate on. Now let's take a look at what I got from Gun Parts Corp. It's kind of a hodgepodge of parts. The primary goal was to get that butt plate for my Mosin Nagant, but I also ordered some other stuff while I was at it. I think I had a bunch of the Swedish plastic oilers in here, like for the Swedish Mausers. I kind of like those. I like that design. I am going to turn this on its edge because it has my packing slip. Let's get that out of the way. And in doing so, then I can tell you what I paid for this stuff on the same token as I take it out. Alright, so before we dive off into this, I'm going to throw some numbers at you. The butt plate for my Mosin Nagant ran me $9.05. Also got a cleaning kit pouch, which is, I believe it's an M16 style cleaning kit pouch. $3.75, the Swedish double oilers in the clear plastic. Those are $2 a piece. I got 4 of those. Also found, I want to say there were 2 C products. I can't remember if those were C products. I'm not really sure. I got 2 5.45 by 39 AK74 style mags, the plastic ones. They might be Magpul, they might be C, or they might be Tapco. I don't know. They're one of the 2. I got another bayonet adapter and storage tube for my Spanish FR-8. Oh, by the way, those mags were $12.75 a piece. The bayonet adapter and storage tube for my FR-8, my Spanish FR-8, was $11.51. And then I got a Wolf spring pack for the M1 Garand. That's going to be for that BM59 kit that I'm building. Make sure you check out that video. And then a rifle maintenance kit that goes along with the Mosin Nagants. So that Wolf spring pack was $17.28, and the rifle maintenance kit, the Russian one, was $10.97. So let's set my invoice aside and let's get into these parts. Check them out. Okay, well that's all there is to it. There we go. They're Tapco mags. Let's check those out first, because it looks like my oilers are off in there too. I really like those oilers. I don't know why. I guess I'm kind of weird about surplus sometimes. But I thought it would be really cool because it's a dual oiler, or it's got a dual compartment in it. As you guys will see, it'd be really nice for maybe putting some solvent and oil in just to carry with your rifle kit. But first off, the good old Tapco Intrafuse AK74 mags. Nothing super fancy, super cool, just good plastic mags. I'm not going to show you too much about them. Those are brand new in the package. You guys know why. If you're smart, you'll understand why. But let's check out those Swedish dual oilers. They do have a mold seam down the side right here. For those of you that are concerned, that might be a crack. And they're held on with this little cap and chain retention. Just got, you know, just your little sealer on the top for your cap. You know, just something really cool to keep in your rifle kit with an, you know, with an AK or any other rifle. Let's see what these other three look like. These are super cheap. Like I said, they were like $2 a piece, I think. They're dirty, as you can tell, but I think they'll work just fine. I don't see any major cracks or anything like that, so cool. Pretty happy to get those. Those will be nice. Nice to carry with a rifle kit. Like I said, pretty decent size, so you can carry your solvent and oil in there. Solvent one side, oil on the other, and you can even write on it with a Sharpie to distinguish that. Let's check out the rest of this stuff. Okay, so I'm not really going to go too in-depth here, but this is that Wolf replacement spring pack for the M1 Garand. It says, note, recoil and a hammer spring are extra power. So I thought that was kind of neat. I really needed this recoil spring here for that op rod because mine is rusty. If you guys recall looking in that video, it's a brand new spring pack. Wolf always makes excellent stuff. Let's see, that Mosin Nagant butt plate. I'm not expecting anything super fancy. Of course, it is unmarked. And just in case you guys are wondering, let's check it on the rifle. I'm pretty sure I got the right one. We'll find out shortly if I got the right one. It's a little, might require a little bit of bending, a bit of fine fitment. But there you have it. That'll be nice to go on there and finally get this rifle done. The project's been hanging around for a while, along with so many others of mine. So we're going to put this back over here along with these screws, and we're going to set this aside so I don't lose it. Now, if you guys have seen the video of my FR-8s, saga of those, there is that oiler and bayonet tube. Of course, this unscrews. Cleaning kit pouch, sorry, and bayonet adapter. This has the button retention, so it'll lock into place on that triple tree. And this one's actually in pretty good shape. Better shape than I expected. Of course, that's a spring-loaded button right there. So, I like it. Cool. Honestly, I don't know if I had another one of these, so I was like, well, placing an order anyway, let's get to the minimum shipping required, so it's, you know, free and minimum amount for free shipping, so that's what I did. And then this is that M16 cleaning kit pouch. That's pretty cool. So you can see it's actually got the Alice clips. You don't see those much anymore. Just a true spec brand, or actually Atlantico. It's marked true spec. Okay, whatever. But you just pop these clips open. Of course, it is Velcroed at the top, and you can put all your nice little goodies in your goodie bag in here, and then that can go in the butt stock, just to prevent you from. I think you can roll it up and actually fit it in the butt stock. Maybe, might be a little too big by the time you're done with it. But anyway, if you got an M16 cleaning kit, perfect for it. Now, last item on the list is that. What is this again? I want to say this is that, yeah, it's called a rifle maintenance kit, which basically consists of your bolt checking tool, multi-tool deal for the Mosin Nagant, and then I think a few other little cleaning goodies in here. Oh, that is absolutely slathered in cosmoline. Boy, that's gooey. Even the canvas is coated in it. Oh. Check that out, guys. It does have a little bit of rust. Let's pull that off. Oh, it's hilarious. Let's just stick that back on there and stick it there. Absolutely covered. Almost hate to reach down in here because there's like tons of cosmoline in here. Yeah, there's the other pieces. Still covered in a lot of cosmoline. But there's your tool to check your firing pin protrusion, as well as the tool for taking down your Mosin Nagant. So that's just a nice little thing to have. If you guys go back, reference the beginning of the video, you'll see what I paid for it. It's always nice to have one of these if you got a bunch of Mosin Nagants, because inevitably I always end up misplacing my tool, especially when I need it and I go to disassemble a bolt and, you know, try to put it back together. So let's just put that back together and put that back in the bag before it makes a huge mess. So anyway, I don't know if you guys are in need of parts like that, but Gun Parts Corp has them. If you guys have, whether it be an FR-8, whether it be Swedish Mauser, whether it be Mosin Nagant, whether it be an M16 cleaning kit, or whether it be a M1 Garand spring kit from Wolf Springs, or whether it be some AK74 Tatco Intrafuse mags for your AK74. Just want to share that with you guys. You guys know how to find them. Go check them out if you're interested in stuff like this. As always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments. Make sure you hit the bell notification, sign up for alerts anytime I put deals out like this. I guess this isn't really a deal, it's just kind of informative. But anytime I do put deals out, so you guys will be the first to know, make sure you sign up for those alerts. But as always, guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, you guys have a great day.